Everyone is our neighbor, no matter what race, creed or color. It has always been easy to hate and destroy. To build and to cherish is much more difficult. When peace comes, remember it will be for us, the children of today, to make the world of tomorrow a better and happier place. It is through this lens of history that we should view the conflicts of today, and so give us hope for tomorrow. Sport has a wonderful way of bringing together people and nations. Although we are capable of great acts of kindness, history teaches us that we sometimes need saving from ourselves, from our recklessness or our greed. The birth of a baby brings great happiness, but then the business of growing up begins. Each day is a new beginning. I know that the only way to live my life is to try to do what is right, to take the long view, to give of my best in all that the day brings, and to put my trust in God. I know just how much I rely on my own faith to guide me through the good times and the bad. I believe that, young or old, we have as much to look forward to with confidence and hope as we have to look back on with pride. With age does come experience, and that can be a virtue if it is sensibly used. While we may have more still to endure, better days will return. We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again. I cannot lead you into battle. I do not give you laws or administer justice, but I can do something else. I can give you my heart and my devotion to these old islands and to all the peoples of our brotherhood of nations. Perhaps we make too much of what is wrong and too little of what is right. The trouble with gloom is that it feeds upon itself, and depression causes more depression. Grief is the price we pay for love. The path, of course, is not always smooth, and may at times this year have felt quite bumpy, but small steps can make a world of difference. Whatever life throws at us, our individual responses will be all the stronger for working together and sharing the load. I know of no single formula for success, but over the years I have observed that some attributes of leadership are universal, and are often about finding ways of encouraging people to combine their efforts, their talents, their insights, their enthusiasm and their inspiration, to work together. I have to be seen to be believed.